Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Penny Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I'm the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing Bitcoin, Ethereum, OWUV, SPY, TOMDF, and UAMM. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion and is meant for informational or educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With out of the way, remember to smash the thumbs up button if you like this video. Also hit the red subscribe button and a little notification bell to be notified when we go live with a new video. Also go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com. This is where subscribers get first look at stocks they're going to be covering. Stocks like ENZC at 0.014, ABML at 7 cents, ALPP at 7.5 cents, and HMBL at 0.027. And if you click on this on the symbol or the percentage gain, it takes you to our original profile, which is date and time stamped on insiderfinancial.com. Also, if you do sign up, we also have a free ebook to all new subscribers, so make sure you are signed up to get the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. It works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 00. It will not work. And text messages are the fastest way to get our alerts. Many times we will do a text-only alert if something hot comes across our desk. And the best part is that both email and the SMS service are a free subscription service from insiderfinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. With out of the way, let's dive in here, folks. What a week. There's just a lot of uncertainty right now, particularly on the big board and the crypto side. Luckily, I sold a lot this week. Positions, mainly my big caps, large caps. I got out of my crypto. It just everything seems toppy. There's just a lot of uncertainty around the Omicron variant. I'm not going to get into the politics or my opinion of what's going on. I will just say there's uncertainty on both sides regarding that. So I think the markets, as you can see from the SPY, we topped out at 470. The 450 level is holding. We make a substantial break below 450, a close below here. Could be pretty ugly. So this is what has me concerned. I'm got a big cash position right now, waiting to pick up the right opportunities, and those are the opportunities waiting for. I'm very patient. We only had one NASDAQ low float alert this week. It was a nice play. But other than that, the big mover for subscribers is OWUV. We put out, we profiled it last month for our subscribers at just 0.019 a share. You can take a look. It is date and time stamped, written by Mike Long on November 4th. One World Universe, a potential metaverse play. And right now, the metaverse, because of Zuckerberg rebranding Facebook to Meta platforms, you're also getting the big virtual real estate sales happening, making major headlines. So it's really about focusing on what the headlines are, in the general news, and then finding penny stocks to ride that wave. and OWUV has certainly delivered. It's been a 10-bagger for subscribers that it came out at 0.019 a share. You look at the chart here, it came out on November 4th. So it took a month, but finally started picking up here on the 22nd, and then on the 1st, it just took off. So, a lot of these plays, sometimes you have to be patient, and it really worked out. So we're really happy about delivering a 10-bagger for our subscribers on what many are saying. Well, it is. It's a very difficult OTC market right now. There's just most names are down. Most people are underwater. I know people are talking about a Santa Claus rally. I'm a little bit skeptical just because I think we're going to see a lot of tax loss selling. And, on a lot of the popular names, there's a lot of people underwater. You can basically pick any of the top OTC stocks and people are underwater. So I think you're going to see some selling pressure between now and the end of the month. Where the opportunities are in the new plays. But we're being very selective. We don't have anything, I'm running screens this week, not seeing anything jumping out at me. But this is, you don't have to do something all the time. I know people are antsy for, alerts or to make trades. If I don't have a high degree of confidence, I'm not going to send out an email or an SMS just for the sake of getting you guys in a trade. That's not what we're looking to do here. It's all about making money. And there's a shortage of opportunities right now. One play that looks particularly interesting, this was a runner that we caught last month. My colleague Chris Sandberg, he put out an article on the 23rd for subscribers talking about TOTF Medical, TOMDF. And what's interesting about this one is the president and CEO of TOTF. He was out with talking about the Omicron variant. Let's see, where is his tweet? That they're looking to go to South Africa and do some testing. Here it is. We are now looking at getting a trial site for Tullavir in South Africa in hospitalized patients. Seems like it will be an important area to get data on Omicron, and they sorely need solutions, as will we here in U.S. and the world over. TOMDF. So, this is going straight from the headlines, what I was talking about, finding a company that is trying to capitalize on this. And, if they do and they put out a PR, things are going to go nuts. So, this one is certainly one, TOMDF, that you need to keep on your radar screen. The other big runner this week is UAMM. This is up 150% this week. We've talked about this one for subscribers. You go into the magnifying glass and you type in any symbol and you can see what we've said about it. And it's all date and time stamped on insiderfinancial.com. What's going on with UAMM? This is another metaverse play, and this is what is really getting people excited. It has just a $14 million market cap. OWUV is a $30 million market cap. So, it checks off all the right boxes. Metaverse plays, pink current, low market cap, low float. These are the things that can really get running. They can squeeze the shorts and really get people excited again about OTC plays. Like I said, this shows you there's still opportunities. You just got to be in the right plays. These are all stocks we've talked about. So, make sure you are a subscriber at signup.insiderfinancial.com. You don't want to miss the next runner. We have a history. You can look at our track record. It's right there. We were in early on ENZC, ABML, ALPP, and, HMBL, and many, many others. It's all about getting in early, not buying at the top or trying to day trade these things. We're swing traders. It's all about getting positioned and, waiting for the market to capture the attention. It's about getting in before the crowd. On OWUV, it took, a month, but, a month it gave you a 10-bagger. Gains of over 900%. Where can you find that? That's certainly, a reason why we trade OTC. This market can get hot, in an instant. And, we love OTC. It's not going anywhere. There's bull and bear markets, and right now we're in a bear market. So in a bear market, you want to have more cash on hand. You want to pick and choose your spots. And, you just don't want to keep throwing money, after, good money after bad. Like I said, this week I sold, some big caps, mid caps, some small caps on NASDAQ, that mixture of gains and losses. So, some of them I was just wanted to clear up my portfolio. And, for me, I listen to my gut. And if I just don't like the market, I get out, and, get out, reevaluate, and wait for a clearer picture. I'm not going to be here and cheerlead and say, that things are going to turn around on Monday or whatever. Going by the crypto crashes this weekend, it's all correlated now. Everyone was talking about Bitcoin as an inflation hedge, but, the people that are owning, stocks, they also own Bitcoin. So, when one starts selling off, the other starts, follows. So, Bitcoin, it hit 42,000 today. Ethereum hit, 3,500. These are massive liquidations. And there's a lot of, when it comes to Bitcoin and Ethereum, there was a lot of margin loans. They're using leverage, and they know where these stops are. These exchanges, and when these markets start moving, they rush on and amplify it, clear out the stops, and bring it right back. So on Ethereum hit 35.75, they brought it right back here to 3,900. So there's plenty of opportunities if you're a trader. I like this Heiken Ashi. This really gives you a clear sense of what the trend is, green versus red. And, you can see here that it was really topping out here at the 47.50. Crypto it's scary how numbers oriented it is. In terms, it's so technical. And, it really doesn't have, it doesn't have earnings reports, conference calls. It's an asset like, it's just a macro asset, and traders are relying on technicals. So these are the signals, and something that is really easy if you follow these markets and understand technicals. Speaking of which, we're thinking of launching a crypto service with these types of numbers. Leave a comment in the message in the video if this is something that you'd be interested in. Or send an email to editor@insiderfinancial.com. I welcome your thoughts. We're trying to look at all avenues of opportunities for our subscribers. and just trying to provide, value and in what we do here, because your time is valuable, watching my video, reading our reports, getting our emails, and then going and reading the full report on all of our alerts and profiles. So, we value, all of our subscribers. Over 100,000 people can't be wrong. We have a huge subscriber base, and we're thankful. So we're always looking at adding value and helping all you guys as much as possible, and trying to give you a clearer picture of what's really happening in these markets. Because the clowns at CNBC, they're not going to help you at all. Listening to Kramer, I think the guy's lost his mind. I can't even watch him anymore. He's all over the map, and it's just really sad what he's become. So, we're not offering financial advice, but certainly, we're not financial advisors. Believe me, if you've been listening to him, oh, you've gotten killed. So, he's just horrible. With that being said, I want to wish everyone a wonderful weekend. Make sure you subscribe to get our free ebook, The Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks. This will help you in these difficult times. We will be still running screens, looking for alerts. If we have anything, we're going to send it out. If we don't, we don't. So, guys, don't worry. We're only trying to give you our best ideas, and if we just don't see anything that fits the bill, we're not going to send that out. So that's how we operate here at insiderfinancial.com. All right, guys. Well, again, have a wonderful weekend, and I'll be coming live to you next week with a new video. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.